Good day, my name is Ms. Rafani, and together we'll be focusing on the Introduction to Chemical Reaction, Grade 8 Natural Sciences. The learning objectives of this lesson is that you should be able to recall names of common elements, define and describe rearrangement of atoms during chemical reaction, distinguish between reactants and products, create balanced chemical equations, and most importantly, apply chemical reactions using real-world examples. Just a quick recap from the previous lesson. We have learned about the matter and materials, which consist of atoms and elements. We learned that atoms are the smallest unit of matter and consist of subatomic particles known as the protons, which carry positive charge, neutrons, which does not carry any charge, and electrons, which carry negative charge. Both the proton and the neutrons are located inside the nucleus, whereas electrons occurs outside the nucleus, which is rotating along the orbitals that are surrounding the nucleus. Elements are pure substances consisting of only one type of an atom. For example, all of the atoms inside the element, such as copper, are identical. Chemical reaction is a chemical change in which one or more substances are destroyed and one or more new substances are created. For example, carbon and oxygen. When the bonds between atoms are rearranged, a chemical reaction takes place. A new substance or substances they form. Chemical reactions can be broken up into two parts, the reactants and the products. Substances which react together are known as reactants, whereas substances that are formed are known as products. The word reaction in this context means change or transformation. This means that the products formed are different to the products that react together. Now, when writing a chemical reactions are written as chemical equations. Reactants are written on the left-hand side and the products on the right-hand side. The arrow is read as yields, is used instead of the equal sign to show that the products that have been formed from the reactants. The plus sign shows that the substances that are added together, or it is used to indicate that more than one substance is added in the reaction. Chemical reactions are important for the process of living organisms, including photosynthesis and respirations. Chemical reactions occur everywhere in the world around you. The chemical reactions cause chemical changes. In other words, substances interact and form new products. There are many examples of chemical reactions in our everyday lives.